You're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digomo here, and we are still looking at the solution of the 2025 concluded WAEC examination on mathematics. So we have solved a lot of questions before now. In the section A, we are concluding almost the section B. So, and in this section B, we are in the 12th question now, question 12A in the theory part. Okay, so in this question 12A, what we are looking, the question says the eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 46, and the sum of the first 8 terms is 200. Find the first term, I, the sum of the first 12 terms. Okay, you realize that I have done a lot of classes and sequence and series, both arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Very good number of classes. What I may do is to put the link to those classes in the comment section so that one can be able to access those classes, so that you can also, especially if you are building up, can be able to look at those classes before looking at what we are going to do here, because what we are going to do here is actually going to go to solve this question. It may not look like, teaching it afresh. Okay, so let's see what we can be able to do on this question that says the eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 46, and the sum of the first 8 terms of an arithmetic progression is 200. So there is an expression Tn we use in calculating the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Tn is given as a plus in bracket n minus 1, then the common difference d. Okay, so this expression, we use it to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So what we are told here is that the 8th term is 46, term number 8. So I can say that T8 is, which is first term plus the 8th term which we are talking about, 8 minus 1, then the common difference. That this expression is 46. So this T8 is 46, given by A plus 7D. So I can rewrite this expression as A plus 7D is equals to 46, and I call it equation 1. I'll come back again and look at the next statement that says the sum of these first 8 terms. So we will now bring up again the formula for calculating the sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression, which is Sn equals to n over 2 bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1, then the common difference. This gives the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. There's the other one that a situation whereby the first term and the last term is given. You can use the other expression, which is L plus A, n into L plus A over 2. So, but we are not using that because of the nature of this information that is provided here. So we have the n available, and then we have the sum of those 8 terms also available. That's why we're making use of this. There's nothing like last term there. Okay, so the sum of the first 8 term, that is S8 here, which is 8 over 2 bracket 2a plus bracket 8 minus 1, then common difference. This gives us 200. Gives us 200. So I'm going to rearrange it in a way that I will have that 200 comma 200 is equals to, this becomes 4 in bracket 2a plus, this is 7d, okay, All right. So if you look at this now, you can permit me so that I can have figures we can comfortably manage. Permit me to divide both sides, this side and this side, by 4. So if I do that, I'm going to have 200 over 4 equals to 4 bracket 2a plus 7d over 4. So that this expression will come down to 50 plus, okay, 2a plus 7d. So obviously I can now rewrite it as second equation as 2a plus 7d equals to 50, equals to, and call it equation 2. Okay, so let me extract the two equations together. So I am having in the second equation 2a plus 7d equals to 50, and I'm having in the first equation a plus 7d equals to 46. Equation 2, equation 1. Okay, I believe we followed up to this extent. One thing with mathematics is you try to look at a way through which you can navigate and arrive at your answer. That's you try what you try and do. And while trying to do that, you ensure that you are choosing the best among all the possible ways you can follow. Okay. So this and this now, one can see that we've been able to return back to simultaneous equation. So you see that we are going to solve this simultaneously. In solving that, I will choose elimination method. Of course, there are various ways of solving simultaneous equation. I believe in the classes I did in algebra, I have been able to, I think so, yes, I think so, do classes on simultaneous equations and how to handle them. So if I subtract here, 2a minus a will give me a. 7d minus 7d will give me 0. And here, 50 minus 46 will give me 4. Is it 4? Yes, from here to here is 4. Of course, 46 plus 4 will give me 50. Okay, do you realize that here a is 4? I can now go back into any of these equations and find what now what d is. So I can say from equation 1, I have that a plus 7d is 46. So I can replace here and have that 4 plus 7d is 46. So I can take collect the like terms there. I will have 7d equals to 46 minus 4. So what we now have is 7d equals to 46 minus 4 will give us 42. Okay, will give us 42. Yeah, 42. And if I divide both sides by 7, I'm going to have 7d over 7 equals to 42 over 7. Of course, d is equals to 6. Okay, d is equals to 6. So I've been able to find what a is, and I also been able to find what d is here. And the next question they ask here is, we have been able to answer the first question that say I calculate the first term. I sum of the first 12 terms. So if you come back here, you can use this now to find the sum of this. That is, we are now talking about S12, and that will give us 12 over 2 in bracket 2 times a now. 2a, our a is 4 times 4 plus 12 minus 1. Then common difference is 6. So with this now, I have 6 in bracket 8 plus, this is 11 times 6, which is 66. So This plus this will give 70 what? Take 2 here, put here 10. 74. 74. So 6 times 74. By my calculation, 6 times 74 will give us this S12 to be 444. Please verify that. Verify that multiplication is this. Verify it too. Okay. We are through with this. We are through with this question 12A. We want to go to question 12B. Okay, and it's very brief. It's very brief. It's very brief. So let's take it immediately. Please, like I keep on saying that when you have stayed with us in this class like this, and you have enjoyed the class and you have been able to learn one thing or the other, the only way we can know that we've made impact is when we see someone liking the video and when we see someone like clicking on the subscription button, and it's your way of appreciating us, saying, wow, you are really trying, putting up your time and effort to make impact. Yes, there's no other way, because we will not come now and begin to tell you how much effort we put in into this. It's not something we need to be talking about, but we really put up a lot of energy to ensure that something like this comes across. We are still developing, we are still growing, we have not been able to achieve a lot. So if you partner with us, if you cooperate with us, if you support us morally and otherwise, you will realize that we might be able to do more than what we are doing. We are trusting God that you are going to be there for us. Thank you so much for being there.